Hey everybody, welcome to Talk Daily. My name is Eddie, and today's continuation talking about LiDAR. This is by a company called LiDAR Tech. Again, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. This company headquarters is in Canada, and it has international offices worldwide. I just want to show you a little bit some of the illustration right here on the front page of their website. Again, I will have the link to the website in the description below this video. I like this demonstration. If you look at it, you can see that, for example, we have a vehicle here that looks like a Jeep, and it's showing you how this artist rendering of the level of information is being gathered by the vehicle using LiDAR. It shows other vehicle on the road. It shows an Audi over here, an Audi R8. There's a Ferrari over there. I like how they made the Ferrari in red, like all other vehicles, like the Toyota over here and the Chevy. They're kind of like in gray, but the Ferrari is visible. Or maybe that's a shadow from the car behind it. But anyways, it's showing you that this technology, how it's going to be used. The intention is showing the pedestrian walking, the cyclist, and it's showing you what's the technology going to be used for, and how it's going to be so predominant in every vehicle. Over here, again, I'm mentioning this because I like the demonstration, the little picture they show you here. They show you the distance, speed of light times t, speed of time divided by 2. This is the formula basically for the reference. And they're talking about LiDAR. And here's an actual image of the LiDAR, that wavelength. They show it to you on the right. And anyway, so it says, what is LiDAR? LiDAR is a remote detection and ranging method that works much like radar, emitting infrared light pulse instead of radio waves and measuring how long they take to come back after hitting a nearby object. The time between output laser pulse and the reflected pulse allows for LiDAR to sensor the calculated distance to each object precisely based on the speed of light. LiDAR captures millions of such precise distance measurement points each second, from which 3D matrix is of its environment can be processed. Information, object position, shape, and behavior can then be obtained from this comprehensive mapping of the environment. Again, it's basically the eyes, okay? It's just the eyes, and it gives you data. You go from, it's all about receiving data and feeding that data to the basically the brain of the vehicle to make the determination. And again, I just like the imaging they have here. They show LiDAR for automotive mobility application. They basically show you have a front long range LiDAR, and then you have the front wide with the side and the rear. And they talk about resolution and accuracy and the 3D mapping, low light performance and speed. And if you're looking at this and your eyes are glazing and you're saying, oh, I don't understand what you're talking about, well, wake up. This is going to be the future. This is what you're going to purchase when you go to a car dealership. They're going to be talking about these numbers, how effective it is, how good it is. And I guarantee it's going to be government mandate. It will be a certain level of LiDAR. I don't think that the average consumer is going to be put in a choice where to take, for example, oh, is this capable of detecting a pole at 45 meter or 43 meter? I think this is going to be definitely government, every government, whatever you're living, they're going to have some kind of mandatory requirement for these things to be regulated, because if these things are unregulated, then we might have collisions on the road or interference from other devices. So we're right now in this modern era of these companies stepping up and saying, okay, look, I'm making this best technology. I want this technology to be adapted in the next vehicle. And again, all these companies are open for these manufacturers, this technology are open for any company. I mean, they're not biased for like Toyota or a Honda, and this is not gonna. This is basically they're fighting for dominance in that field, autonomous field, and you can imagine all the all the tech companies are doing the same. So this technology is coming to a car near you. Anyway, I would like to mention this. Hopefully, I'm not in the way of this graph. I like this because it talks about what is the autonomy. You hear about level 1, level 2. So level 1, and here's an example of level 1. It's atomic emergency braking, AEB, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keep assist. We currently have that. That is currently available, and it requires little to no LiDAR. That's level 1. Level 2, parking assist, traffic jam assist, and some of them using LiDAR. Again, this technology is currently available on the road. Level 3, highway pilot, which is available on the road. Most will lose LiDAR. Now, level 4, that's not, we're getting to the we're on the cusp of level 4. Level 5, not yet. Level 4, automated urban mobility. LiDAR is necessary. Level 5, full automation. LiDAR is necessary. And this is where this technology are now competing for level 4 and level 5. Well, we need more data. The reason they don't have it, we have level 1 to level 3, is because the data we are able to collect currently is sufficient enough for this driving. The highway pilot, again, I'm not saying highway pilot is 100%. Level 3 is not 100% yet, but very close to level 3. These are the things you're gonna have in your vehicle. When you buy a car, you might get level 1. For currently right now, we have level 1, right? A lot of cars have that. Level 2, they might have a different name, like Honda has what, like Honda Sight or whatever. They have different names for it, but that's basically what they are. Need to be familiar with them because that's what you're purchasing. That's the new vehicle. And eventually it become government mandate for these things to be available on the road because believe it or not, it's I don't know what the future is gonna be. Okay, I'm not trying to be a politician here, but the way things are, full automation is the future. A vehicle that drives itself, that's where we're heading to. That's the objective. You ask, okay, Eddie, what's the point of all this? Cars that drive themselves, like literally drive themselves. You call a cab and the cab has nobody in it, it's just there. Or your car, you want your car, you just go on your app and your car just shows up. When you're done using it, the car just goes away. It parks itself. It goes back to some building structure where all these cars get parked. I don't know. I'm not a sci-fi writer. I'm just giving you an idea. And so this company is talking about mechanical versus solid state LiDAR. We did mention that a little bit. Here's the picture shows you one mechanical, one a solid state. Mechanical obviously have moving part. What a solid state does not have moving part. It goes on to talk about the cost and range because again, this is a company that just showing you they're showing what they're making, what their in-house research is, and good for them. Again, I'll just keep this video short. I just want to show you this graph, and I'll leave a link for the description below. This is a very good read if you guys have time to read it. It's very interesting. Again, if you work for this company or you work in a company that does the same thing, please let us know what you think in the comments below. I think it's amazing, and that's the future of automotive. Cars are not anymore carburetor, fuel injection, and ABS. We are surpassing that, and that's the future of automobile. It's not anymore. If you think these things are unnecessary or you don't like them, let us know in the comments below. I personally I'm okay with all this. I'm okay with all this. If this is gonna save some lives, sure. And but I'm just really interested. It's very exciting to be at the state we're in right now. These are the things that, I mean, if you look at your generation before us, or what's the newest car they had, it must have been maybe a performance car or a luxury car. Now we have we're surpassing that. We're into the realm of sci-fi, and it's exciting. Cars are very, very, very high tech, and they're leading the way in being safety, and obviously all the stuff would actually affect fuel efficiency, right? Because you would imagine that cars would maybe daisy link chain with each other in traffic, and instead of accelerate, decelerate. That's one example of using this technology. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. My name is Eddie, and as always, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.